Hello children, today's topic is Roman system of numerals. In ancient time, many other numeral systems were used in different parts of the world, and one of the most system was the Roman numeral system. And you can see it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. It consists of 7 letters. I means 1, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500 and L means 1000. Okay. Now we will learn how to use these symbols. See, rule number 1, symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times only. For example, for 1 we can use this. For 2 we can use 2 times I. 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, this is incorrect. We cannot use I for 4 times. We cannot use I 4 times. So, I, X, C, M can be repeated 3 times only. Next rule, symbols V, L, D are never repeated. For example, okay, just see, V means 5, L means 50 and D means 500. These are never repeated. For example, 10 for 10, we cannot write like this, 5, 5. We cannot write like this. This is incorrect. For 10, we write X because it is denoted X. Rule number 3, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. For example, XI. See, X is a greater value and I is a smaller value. Here, smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of a higher value. We add the smaller value to the greater value. 10 plus 1, that is 11. So, the Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman is 11. The Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman is 11. Rule number 4. If a symbol of a smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of a higher value, subtract the smaller value to the greater value. In rule number 3, a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right. अगर right पर होगी smaller value तो आप plus करेंगे और अगर left पे होगी so you will subtract the smaller value to the greater value. Example, X, C. Here C represent 100 and X represent 10. So C represent 100, X represent 10. C के लेफ्ट में C के लेफ्ट में कौन सी वैल्यू है 10 है which is smaller than 100. अगर लेफ्ट में छोटी वैल्यू स्मॉलर वैल्यू होगी then you will subtract 100 minus 10, that is 90. For example, this is smaller value is written here left to the higher value. So you will subtract a smaller value to the greater value. 10 minus 1, that is 9. Next rule is the symbol VCD cannot be subtracted from any number. VCD को आप किसी भी रूल में ऐसा नहीं है कि V और C D को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. V, C and D cannot be subtracted from any number. For example, 95, हम 95 को ले लेते हैं. 95 in terms of subtraction आप कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे 95 को 100 minus 5. 100 minus 5 को आप ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं. CV. C means 100 and V means 5. So V, C and D cannot be subtracted from any number. So this is the incorrect way. 95 को आप in terms of आप addition में आप इसे ब्रेक करेंगे 90 plus 5. अब 90 को आप कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे 100 minus 10, that is 90 and plus 5. 100 minus 10, इसके लिए आप क्या Roman numeral यूज़ करेंगे 100 means 100, C represent 100 and आपको 10 subtract करना है. So what will you do? You will place X to the right of C because जब हम subtract करते हैं तो हम left में लिखते हैं और जब हम add करते हैं so we write the value to the right. of the larger number, of the higher number, higher value, and 5 we represent 5. So this is the Roman numeral for 95, XCV. This is 90 and this is 5, so 90 plus 5, 95. Next and last rule, rule number 5, I, X, C are used to subtract. How will you subtract? ये कैसे subtract किए जाते हैं? Let's take some example. देखो, V is higher value and I is used for greater value. I is used for greater value. So 5 minus 1, that is 4. ठीक है, अगर ये V के अगर I हमारा V के राइट में होता, so we will add 1 to 5. 5 plus 1 हो जाता है ये आपका, because I is smaller value than V. और जब ये आपकी स्मॉलर वैल्यू राइट में होती है तो हम प्लस यूज़ करते हैं, और जब स्मॉलर वैल्यू लेफ्ट में होती है तो हम माइनस का यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. 10 minus 1, that is 9. Because x is larger value, we used x for larger value and I for smaller value. Smaller value लेफ्ट में है तो हम इसे माइनस करेंगे. अगर यही आपका राइट में होता है स्मॉलर वैल्यू तो आप इसको प्लस करते. 10 plus 1, that is 11 हो जाता आपका. नेक्स्ट we can take XL. L is larger value 50 and 10 is smaller value than this, so we will subtract because smaller value left में है. ये हमारा हो जाएगा 40. अगर आपकी L के राइट में होती स्मॉलर वैल्यू तो you will add 50 plus 10, that is 60. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल हम ले लेते हैं XC. C मीन्स 100 एंड ये आपका लेफ्ट में है, सो यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 10 एंड यू विल गेट 90. अगेन अगर C के राइट में होता, सो C मीन्स 100 प्लस 10, दैट इज 110. Let's take some examples. Write these Hindu-Arabic numbers in Roman numeral. First of all, 3404, you have to expand this number. You know how to expand? 3000 plus 400 plus 4. We cannot expand 0. Now for 3000, you know M represent 1000. So we will use M 3 times. In our rule number 1, I have told you M, C and D will be repeated 3 times and not more than 3. Maximum 3 time आप use कर सकते हैं. So 1000, 2000 and 3000. This is 3000. What will you do for 4000? Sorry, 400 के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? You know D is represent 500. D 500 को represent करता है and for 400 के लिए क्या करेंगे हम? D 500 and 500 minus 100. C represent 100. अगर हम लेफ्ट में लगाते हैं तो इट मीन्स हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, और हम राइट में लगाते हैं तो इट मीन्स हम ऐड कर रहे हैं. तो 500 माइनस 100 दैट मीन्स 400. ये हमारा 400 हो गया और ये हमारा 3000 हो गया. एंड फॉर 4 यू नो हाउ टू राइट 4. 5 minus 1 that is 4. This is the Roman numeral for Hindu-Arabic number for this. Next, again expand the number. 2000 plus 20 plus 3. What will you write for 2000? M 1000 plus 1000. 20, 10 plus 10, 20, and for 3. This is the Roman numeral for this Hindu-Arabic number. Next examples. Write Hindu-Arabic number for these Roman numeral numbers. CM, I 3 times I है. CM. C के लिए हम क्या M क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? M किसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है? 1000 को. It means अगर m is here and the smaller value is c. c represent 100. If a smaller value is left to the greater value, it means there is a subtraction. So m means 1000, c means 100. ये आपका माइनस हो रहा है. Then 1 2 3 plus 3. ये आप किसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है? 3 को. So 1000 minus 100, 900 plus 3. So 900 is a Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman numeral. Now come to this DCXL 1 2 3 3 times I है. DCXL I. D means I have told you D means होता है आपका 500. 500. C means 100 होता है. तो so here D is larger value and C is a smaller value. If a smaller value is written to the right, so we will add 500 plus 100. Then again XL. XL means L means 50 and X means 10. Here smaller value is left to the larger value, so we will subtract. तो subtract होता है अगर left में होता है तो 50 minus 10 and here I means 3. 500 plus 100 600 plus 50 minus 10 40 and plus 3. So 640